This is Old Town Louisville, and there's a lot of different shapes within the architecture of these buildings. I'm going to start with Euclidean form, which is shapes within shapes to create a bigger shape. Like the windows in this building, the outside rim of the windows are rectangles, and then the windows are rectangles, therefore it's Euclidean, and it's forming one shape. Also in the benches, these brick benches, there are bricks which are rectangles, and the entire bench of the brick is a rectangle. So that shows how there's rectangles within a rectangle to create a rectangle. And also that is evident in several windows across the buildings. I feel the architect was trying to convey a sense of conformity, a sense of community between the buildings. The buildings are tightly placed together because to promote like a business appeal, to make customers go from one place to the other, and customers pretty much make them shop, make them go from one place to the other. And from also one side to the other, there's this rectangle that links up the two sides of the street. Since we are in downtown Louisville, it's halfway between Denton and Dallas, which is where a lot of people have to commute through. So it's a great place to stop and shop, and I think that's what the architects were trying to convey by making everything look kind of uniform and close-knit together. As you can see, there are like 6 cylinders on this side with plants, and then there are these brick benches on this side. And then if you look on the other side, facing the other direction, we have the same 6 cylinders and another brick bench. Therefore, it has been translated and rotated over, so that's an example of translation and rotation. Also, there are some doors on this side. There are some wooden doors that are reflected. If there were another knob on the other side of the door, it would be a complete reflection, but it's just reflected as far as the door, but not the knob. And